We are only 6 months away from the new Galaxy A series and the rumors have already started coming in. According to the Galaxy Club, the Samsung Galaxy A54 will feature a new 50 megapixels camera sensor. This is the only information that has come out so far and all we can do is now to speculate. Samsung Galaxy A53 and the A52 featured a 64 megapixels camera sensor and the 50 megapixels camera sensor on the Galaxy A54 in terms of numbers does seem like a downgrade at first, but that's not how the megapixels work. I mean, if that's how the megapixels worked, the iPhone 13 Pro Max's 12 megapixels camera would have been inferior compared to the 64 or 108 megapixels camera of the mid-range Android phones. So a 50 megapixel sensor, if it's a high-end sensor, can deliver a result much better than the 64 megapixel sensor on the previous Galaxy A50 series smartphones. It would be better if Samsung deploys the same 50 megapixel sensor that they used on the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus, and if not that, they should at least deploy a Sony IMX sensor on the Galaxy A54. If this 50 megapixels sensor is a large sensor carrying the expected improvements, it will easily outperform the 64 megapixel sensors on the predecessors of the Galaxy A54. There are many other speculations going around. My friend Anthony, the Galox, expects the Galaxy A54 to carry big camera improvements over the Galaxy A53 and also expects the removal of depth sensor and lower megapixel main camera to pave way for a new telephoto camera alongside an improved ultra-wide camera. Now Samsung have already started working on a new Exynos chipset, the Exynos 1380, and this is the chipset expected to power the upcoming Galaxy A54 and the A34. We saw the Exynos 1280 powering the Galaxy A53 and the A33. The Exynos 1280 did not receive a lot of appreciation from the users. It was in fact a turn off for many Samsung users. I seriously hope that the Exynos 1380 carries massive performance upgrades and makes a Galaxy A54 a true value for money mid-range smartphone. We will be seeing a lot of leaks in the coming few days and I have my fingers crossed for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A series. I'll be bringing you guys all the updates right here. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.